Hey guys, so I thought I would just quick let you know here in the beginning that we have a big surprise announcement for our family. We decided to get a doggy. Say hi, Ray. Hi, yeah, kisses. So this is our puppy, Ray. Let's see if I can get her in good. She is a Yorkie Bichon mix. And can't get you in the picture, baby. She is currently 4 months old. We got her from a family down in the Lancaster area. We've had her for half a week, but she's doing really good. She's already house trained. We haven't had any accidents while she's here. She is a shy puppy, but she's warming up really good to all of us. And when she's shy, she isn't aggressive. She actually is more retreating. She retreats when she's shy. So it has actually been something that has been kind of sweet to see kind of get better. And as we have had more people around and everything, even the last couple of days, she's been more comfortable with people coming in. So yeah, it's just kind of, it's really nice, huh? Can you say hi? Yeah, say hi. You want to give me kisses. She loves to give me kisses. I am her favorite. But she's starting to do really good with the kids. So the next couple clips are actually of her in the last couple days since we've had her. But I thought I would just come on here first and make our big announcement. Oh, is that right, Ray? All right, roll that beautiful footage.
This is one surefire way to tire them both out. I think Ray's faster than Keaton though. Don't go over there, that's where she poops. You didn't step in any. She poops by the fence, like literally right by the fence. Just don't go back there.